Another day, another English lesson. Prepositions of time, at, in, and on. Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use three small but important prepositions of time, at, in, and on. Each one is used with a different kind of time expression. Use at with exact clock times. For example, the train leaves at 8 o'clock. We eat lunch at noon. Use in with months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. For example, her birthday is in July. He was born in 2005. I drink coffee in the morning. Use on with days and specific dates. For example, the store is closed on Sundays. The party is on May 3rd. Important exception. Even though we use in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, we say at night. For example, I sleep at night, not in night. Quick summary: at plus clock time, in plus month, year, season, or part of the day, on plus day or date. And remember the exception: at night. Now you try. Complete the sentences with at, in, or on. One, I usually wake up early in the morning. 2, the meeting starts at 9 o'clock a.m. sharp. 3, we always visit our grandparents on Sundays. 4, my grandmother was born in 1948. 5, the shop closes at midnight on weekends. 6, they're getting married on June 14th. 7, I love going for walks at night when the streets are quiet. 8, he starts his new job on Monday. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.